Okay, just want to give you a quick little tour of this digital sign app. There's a lot of them out there now. Um, some have more features than others, but real quick. So these are the two screens, obviously, that are playing right now. This is the front door, and then this is that middle window. They're playing the same playlist. So basically, all you're doing is you put your files, your assets, everything that you want to show in this area. I'm sorry, this is the playlist. We want to go here. So this is where you keep all your files and assets. This can be anything from documents to images, to videos, but then there's all these apps that are third-party integrations, but a lot of them are social media based. Some of them are like basically where you could embed HTML from another site. You can also pull up other websites like our e-commerce site. I have to understand the RSS feed situation because I know you can create them on Shopify, and that will push like anything new that gets added, like a new product, a new blog. But I have yet to figure that one out. I do have like the Google Yelp, the reviews, all that stuff set up. Google Slides is awesome with this. All you have to do is enter the URL of the slide. And for Google Slides right now, I'm using this Paw Naturals account. It's pawnaturalchicago at Gmail. We can't use our organization because those links, those URLs are not public. This does not have that Paw Naturals at the end. So this can be public. So that's why I'm using this account. And we're using the photo account under it to upload things to an album. Okay. And then to put them into a slideshow, all you do, I found an add-on. So if we were doing like a blank slideshow, I actually do have a background that I've been using that has our little watermark on it. If I could find it. If not, let's just see. It's got to be somewhere here. Of course not. Let's see. Let me just go here because I could show you how to do this real fast. Where is it? It's somewhere here. This. So I made a presentation size that'll have, and this is for new product, obviously. You put it in one, and then it will add it to all the theme, right? Done. And I've been using just a blank layout. Now, the cool thing is I found this plugin, all these different add-ons for Google Slides. You go photos to slides, album selector, and then it will put all those different things in that one album on different slides, which is what we want. So here, let's just do the new product again. Let's just do that. It'll only do 50 slides at a time, or you got to buy the subscription. So you'll see then as it's importing this, it puts it on slides, but because, I don't have the full background, we want to use this background. So what we do, because I did this beforehand, we do this again. Upload. And then you stick it in there, and then you figure out how to animate it. There's ways you could put animations on all of them. And you do add to theme, see that? So now, done. Get rid of this one. Right, so now we have our slideshow, but we have to animate it and give it the transitions. You can do it by putting we could do a dissolve transition on all of them. And then you can animate different objects. Like this is one picture. You can have it fly in from the left. And it'll show you what it'll do, It'll fly the picture. It should, where's my picture? There. Okay. And then, but I'm not sure how to put the animation on all of them. We don't have to use the animation, but we obviously want to use a transition. But that's it. And then to put it on the digital sign, you do this publish to web, boom, and you want the link. You want to do this, start and restart it, publish, yes. And then you grab this link and put it on, and then put it in the digital sign, and that is what shows in the Google Slides app. Okay, you name it, and then you put that there, and then it should, let's just name it, save it, right? So now it's this, and then once you have all your whatever you're creating, then you put it into a playlist. The playlists I'm playing right now is this window display, and you can see it has a bunch of different, not only slides, but different different plugins, basically. You set the time you want it to hold on the screen. You don't want to use things with a lot of text. Some of these text ones, you just can't see from the street anyway. But that's kind of it. And then you set the playlist. You can set it on a schedule, for certain things. And then you assign what screen should be playing what. Right now I have them on both. You could change the orientation, but there's so many possibilities that I would love to get somebody who can learn quickly, how to do this and utilize a lot of these plugins. And if you feel like creating one, go ahead. Just don't change any of these yet until we check it out. But that's it. If you want to play around on this, feel free.